Koko. Just follow our rhythm. Maybe I should just watch from here.
Wow! That leaf game looks awesome!
Maybe they don't need another player. They saw Toto right away. Maybe this is my chance. If I stand here, maybe they'll notice me. Koko looks like he really wants to play. It looks like you've got a leaf ready to play. I want to try joining them. Koko, were you waiting to play? I wanted to play, but I didn't know how to ask. You can always ask us, Koko. We didn't mean to ignore you. Sorry, Koko. We got excited and forgot to look around. Thank you. Thank you. I really did want to play with all of you. Then, let's teach you how we toss the leaf together. We're all here with you, Koko. Just follow our rhythm. See? Just give it a soft upward flick. I did it, kind of. Why didn't he listen? Lulu, I heard what happened. I know Koko didn't mean to upset you. Sometimes Koko gets excited and forgets to think first. But he cares about you, Lulu. He really does. Are you okay? I heard you were upset. I just wanted to share something special with him. Lulu, I saw Koko looking for you. He looked super worried. See? He knows he messed up. Maybe I should talk to him. Talking always helps. And Koko always listens when it really matters. Lulu! Lulu, where are you? He's really looking for me. Go on, Lulu. He needs to say something important. You've got this, Lulu. Lulu, I found you. Lulu? Lulu, can I talk to you?
Lulu, I'm really sorry for not listening to you earlier.
It made me feel like what I wanted to show you didn't matter.
I got too excited and forgot to pay attention, but I never wanted to hurt your feelings.
I just wanted to share something special. I want to see it now. I want to hear everything you wanted to tell me.
Really?
I made this for you, but when you didn't listen, I thought maybe you didn't care. Lulu, it's beautiful. I love it. I love it because you made it.
I'm glad. I wanted it to make you smile. I promise I'll listen better next time. You matter to me. Thank you, Koko. That means a lot.
Did they make up yet? Ow, they did. Would you like to see where I found the flowers? I'd love to. I wanted to surprise you because these flowers only bloom when friends are kind to each other.
They're magical. just like your kindness.
Lulu, this place is incredible. I come here when I want to feel peaceful. When I first found this place, I thought it felt like a dream.
It really does. Thank you for sharing it with me.
These ones open wider when someone speaks kindly nearby.
So they're reacting to us?
Kindness makes the forest feel brighter. And you make it brighter for me.
I didn't realize how much I hurt your feelings.
I know you didn't mean to. That's why I wanted to forgive you. We all make mistakes. What matters is learning from them.
And I really am learning.
There's one more place I want to show you. I come here when I want to feel calm.
It feels peaceful, like it's welcoming us.
I wanted to bring you here because friends should share the places that matter to them.
Thank you for trusting me again.
I'm really glad you came back.
I wouldn't have left things like that.
There's something special just beyond these bushes. Lead the way, Lulu. I'm right here. These only glow when someone is being honest. They're beautiful, and they're glowing for you. I wanted you to see this because honesty makes friendships stronger.
Then I want us to be the strongest we can be. Here, it's yours now. I'll protect it, and I'll protect our friendship.
You don't have to be perfect. You just have to care.
I do care, more than I realized.
Let's rest here for a moment. I'd like that. When I felt upset earlier, I didn't want to stay mad.
I'm glad you didn't give up on me.
I was hurt, but I also wanted to understand you.
Then I want to understand you too. Every part in...
Then this can be our reminder to always listen to each other. We'll keep our promise. Ready to head back?
Only if we go together.
It feels lighter now because we understand each other. Let's leave it here so the forest remembers too.
That's a beautiful idea.
Thank you for trying so hard. I'll always try for us. Come on, everyone must be waiting. You're back.
We worked things out. We were worried. Thanks for caring. Group hug time.
We saved a spot for you two.
We'd love to join.
It feels peaceful again.
Yeah, it really does.
Thank you for apologizing.
Thank you for forgiving me. Friends stay strong when they stick together.
We'll always stick together.
Let's make this our friendship symbol. It's perfect.
Let's always talk things through. And always listen.
Ready to head home? With all of you, always.
Today was a good day.
The best, because we made it right.